In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to Shopify. Apple Pay helps customers check out faster with fewer clicks, which can boost conversions on mobile. Let's walk through the exact path in your Shopify admin and connect a provider that supports Apple Pay step by step. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, open Settings, then go to Payments. This is where you manage your checkout options. In the Payments section, click Choose a Provider. You'll see different ways to take payments. We're going to work with third-party payment providers that include Apple Pay. Open the Third-Party Payment Providers area and select Apple Pay to filter the options that support it. On that filtered list, choose Tap Payments. Click Install to add it to your store, and confirm the installation on the permission screen by clicking Install again. This simply grants the provider the access it needs to connect securely to your Shopify checkout. You'll be taken to the Tap Connection page. Click the highlighted button to begin configuration. When prompted, open the country selector labeled Please select your country. You'll see regions such as South Asia, Southeast Asia, Europe, and Middle East. Use these categories to navigate, then pick the location that matches where your business operates or where your settlement bank account is based. Selecting the correct region ensures your Apple Pay transactions route properly and meet local requirements. After choosing, click the highlighted Continue or Confirm option to proceed. Once the connection completes, you'll return to your Shopify payment settings with the provider linked and Apple Pay enabled through it. That's the core setup done. From here, Shopify will surface Apple Pay as an accelerated checkout method to eligible customers automatically. A few quick tips to make sure everything works as expected. Apple Pay only appears to shoppers using supported Apple devices and browsers, typically Safari on iPhone, iPad, or Mac with wallet setup. Your store must use a secure HTTPS domain, which Shopify provides by default. Availability also depends on your store's country, currency, and the region you selected with the provider. If you don't immediately see Apple Pay on your storefront, give it a minute, refresh your payments page, and confirm the provider shows as active. To test, visit your storefront on an Apple device with a card added to wallet, add any product to cart, and look for the Apple Pay button on the cart or checkout page. If it appears and opens wallet, your setup is complete. That's it. Your Shopify store now supports Apple Pay through a third-party provider, giving customers a fast, secure way to pay.